Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn on autoplay on Apple Music. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Music app, then hit at the song that is currently playing, and on the song page you can hit right there at these three lines icon to bring up that extra options. And here you can easily find that infinity sign. If this sign is highlighted, that means that autoplay is currently toggled on. If it's not highlighted, it's toggled off. So in order to turn it on, just hit on it once and that's it. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.